Today I'm going to show you how to set up merge tags in MailChimp step by step so you can customize your audience fields and personalize your email campaigns more effectively. Merge tags are incredibly useful when you want to collect specific information from subscribers, like a city, company name, or any custom detail that helps you segment and personalize your messages. If you want to save time and make your emails feel more targeted, this is a simple skill worth learning. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy MailChimp tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the homepage loads, sign in using your account credentials. After you're logged in, you'll land in the MailChimp dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Audience. This is where all of your contacts, audience settings, and custom fields are managed. Next, in the Audience section, look for the three dots menu. Click on the three dots to open more options, then select Audience Settings. This will take you to the settings area for your current audience. On this page, you'll see different tools related to managing your list and customizing the data you collect from subscribers. Now, click Edit Audience Fields. This is the section where you can view existing fields like email address, first name, and last name, and also add your own custom fields. If you want to collect more specific details from your subscribers, this is exactly where you do it. To create a new merge tag field, click Create a New Field. MailChimp will then ask you to define the new field. First, type the name of the field. For example, if you want to collect a subscriber's location, you might name it City. The name is what you'll see in your audience settings, so make it clear and easy to recognize. After that, select the data type. This tells MailChimp what kind of information the field should accept. Depending on your needs, you may choose text, number, date, or another available option. For a simple custom field like a city name, text is usually the best choice because it allows subscribers to enter words rather than numbers. Next, enter the merge tag. This is the short code MailChimp uses to insert that field's information into emails, forms, and automations. For example, if your field is city, you could use a merge tag value like your city. Make sure the merge tag is easy to identify and matches the purpose of the field, because this makes it much easier to use later when building emails or templates. Once everything looks correct, click Save. MailChimp will now add the new field to your audience and your merge tag will be ready to use. From this point on, you can include that custom information in your emails, helping you create more personalized messages for your subscribers. And that's it. You've now set up merge tags in MailChimp. As you can see, it's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how flexible and personalized your email marketing becomes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple MailChimp walkthroughs, email marketing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.